It was a bright Monday morning when 12-year-old Ahmed stood outside the gates of his new school. His backpack felt heavier than ever, even though it only held a few books. His heart was beating fast. "What if no one talks to me?" he whispered to himself. Ahmed had recently moved to a new town with his family because of his father's new job. He had left behind his old school, his favorite teacher, and all of his friends. Everything around him now seemed unfamiliar. Taking a deep breath, Ahmed walked through the school gate. Students were laughing, talking, and hurrying to their classrooms. Some already knew each other, making Ahmed feel even more nervous. A teacher with a warm smile greeted him. "Good morning. You must be Ahmed. Welcome to our school." "Good morning, ma'am," Ahmed replied politely. "I'm your class teacher, Mrs. Fatima. Don't worry. You'll do just fine." Her kind words made Ahmed feel a little better. When they entered the classroom, everyone looked at him. Ahmed wished he could disappear for a moment. Mrs. Fatima smiled and said, "Class, this is Ahmed. He has joined us today. Let's make him feel welcome." The students greeted him together. "Welcome, Ahmed." Ahmed smiled. Shyly, Mrs. Fatima asked him to introduce himself. "My name is Ahmed. I enjoy reading books, playing football, and drawing pictures. I'm happy to be here." The class clapped politely. Ahmed sat in an empty seat beside a cheerful boy named Bilal. "Hi, Bilal," whispered. "Don't worry. I was new here last year too." Ahmed smiled. "Really?" "Yes. You'll make friends quickly." Those simple words made Ahmed feel much comfortable. The first lesson was English. The students read a short story together. When the teacher asked a question, Ahmed knew the answer but hesitated. Bilal quietly encouraged him. "Go ahead." Ahmed raised his hand. "Yes, Ahmed?" asked the teacher. He answered correctly. "Excellent, Mrs. Fatima said." "Very well done." The class smiled, and Ahmed felt his confidence growing. Next came mathematics. Ahmed loved solving puzzles, so he finished the worksheet before many of the other students. The teacher noticed. "Wonderful work, Ahmed." Several classmates looked impressed. During the break, Ahmed sat alone under a tree, eating his lunch. He missed his old friends. Suddenly, Bilal and two other students walked over. "Can we sit with you?" Bilal asked. Of course, Ahmed replied. The three students introduced themselves. I'm Isa, I'm Hamza, and I'm Bilal, your new best football partner. Bilal joked. Everyone laughed. They talked about their favorite games, cartoons, and foods. Ahmed discovered they all loved cricket and football. Soon they were laughing as if they had known each other for months. After lunch, the sports teacher announced, Everyone, we're going outside for football practice. Ahmed's eyes lit up. The teams were chosen, and Ahmed joined Bilal's team. At first, he felt nervous again. Then Bilal passed him the ball. Go for it. Ahmed dribbled past two players and scored a fantastic goal. Goal. Everyone shouted. His teammates cheered loudly. Great. Sat Ahmed. For the first time that day, Ahmed forgot he was the new student. Later, during art class, teacher asked everyone to draw their dream place. Ahmed carefully drew a peaceful park with tall trees, colorful flowers, birds flying in the blue sky, and children happily playing together. The art teacher admired his drawing. You have wonderful creativity. Some classmates gathered around his desk. Wow, that's beautiful. Can you teach me how to draw trees like that? Ahmed happily shared his drawing tips. By the last lesson, he no longer felt like a stranger. When the final school bell rang, students packed their bags. Bilal smiled. See you tomorrow, Ahmed. See you tomorrow. Walking home, Ahmed noticed that the road looked much friendlier than it had that morning. His mother opened the front door with a smile. How was your first day? Ahmed grinned. At first, I was really scared. But then I met kind teachers and wonderful friends.